Junior suite on Utopia of the Seas, room 11242. This does have the touch doors. Coming in, turn the lights on. That's better. All right, coming in, we have a full-size mirror. Immediately to your right is the bathroom. I'll show you that first. And again, this is a junior suite, so it is going to have a bathtub in it. And here's the bathtub. It does have the upgraded bath amenities in it and a pull-down shower head. Small, a little bit larger vanity than the full-size rooms, and plenty of storage in the bathroom. Coming back, once you come out on the left side is your walk-in closet. This is one of my favorite features of the junior suites on multiple ships, but this one as well. So full-size closet, so you can store your suitcases in here if you don't want to put them under the bed. And it does have some really nice shelving units in the back to put your packing cubes. All right, back out to the room. So as we come in here, there is another little closet here. This does have the safe in it. There's a little hanging space there, and then some more drawers for you to store your stuff. All right, more storage. This also is where the mini fridge is. So here is your mini fridge. It's more of a cooler. It doesn't keep things super cold, but cool enough. If you do have medicine, you will want to ask for a cooler, a medical fridge, to ensure that your medicine stays cold. In the junior suites, you also get a Lavazza espresso machine. Also receive some complimentary fruit for our loyalty. Moving over, so you have your little vanity here. Looks like we have 3 US plugs and 2 adapter plugs. It's a nice space for you to either get ready in the evening, or if you have a computer or something you need to work on, nice space there. Into the living room area, nice size TV. And then we also have a little lounger with a ottoman and a table with a full-size couch. And then we have this set up in the king size format. Well, the nice thing with these newer rooms is they do have outlets next to the bed, so you do not have to bring a power bank. There's one on each side in the lamp. Everyone's favorite part, we'll move out to the balcony. This balcony is massive compared to even some of the larger suites that we've stayed in recently. So as you see, there's no lounger chairs, but there is a couple of chairs, and they do have the pull-out footrest that you can use. And then there is a table. And again, this balcony is giant. I'll turn around and show you from the other side as well, but here is the view. So we're kind of on the out spot of the ship, which is nice because you can see out a little bit further. Oh, and there's the manatees. Zoom in on that. We get to see some manatees right from our balcony. Hi guys. That's cool. All right, and then back to the balcony here, just to show you how large this thing is. It's huge. All right, and that's it. Safe journeys, everyone.